Hello viewers, today in ALM AYUSH we are going to discuss about the naturopathy management for rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder. The symptom of rheumatoid arthritis are inflammation of joints, painful joints. So for this the naturopathic management will be, the first tip of naturopathic management is raw potato juice. So as I already discussed, the rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder and it will lead to inflammation. This raw potato juice is an anti-inflammatory food that will reduces the inflammation of the joints. So those who are suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, early morning they have to consume this raw potato juice. So how to prepare this raw potato juice? You have to soak a medium size raw potato overnight, and next day morning you need to make the juice with the skin of the potato, and you have to consume it for 21 days regularly. So the raw potato juice will reduces the inflammation as well as the pain. The second naturopathic tip is ginger juice. So generally ginger is a natural painkiller. So you can take either any format of ginger, like you can take it as in a raw format, or you can add ginger in your salads, or you can make ginger paste and directly apply on the affected joints. So directly applying ginger paste on the affected joints will reduce the pain as well as the swelling or the edema which has been associated with the affected joint. The third tip is turmeric. So turmeric is an anti-cancerous property as well as it will fight against rheumatoid arthritis. So you can mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric with hot water and you can make it as a turmeric hot water drink. And sometimes in turmeric means we will generally have an idea of mixing it with milk, but try to avoid milk and milk products those who have been affected with arthritis, because milk may aggravate the pain as well as the mucus production will also be more, and the inflammation will also increase simultaneously if you continuously take the milk and milk related products. So ginger, turmeric, and next one is garlic. So all these 3 anti-inflammatory foods and natural painkillers will support the rheumatoid arthritis. The fourth one is ice packs. You need to give ice cold packs on the affected joints. So the ice packs will help you for the temporary pain relief. If at all the pain is severe and you couldn't able to manage the pain, the ice packs will support you. The last but not the least is yoga therapy. So in rheumatoid arthritis, yoga therapy plays a major role. If you keep on practicing the therapeutic yoga, all your joints and muscles will get relaxed, and the morning stiffness will be reduced. So I think this medical facts will be very helpful for you. Stay tuned.